Trade Assurance is a free program offered by Alibaba, and its purpose is to add an extra layer of protection between you and the supplier that you found on Alibaba. Trade Assurance allows the buyer to receive a full refund if a supplier didn't ship the products on a specified shipping date, or if product quality is different from what you specified and ordered. Now, this program was launched in 2014, and keep in mind that not every supplier on Alibaba has Trade Assurance. So when you're searching for suppliers on Alibaba, look for Trade Assurance sign. Suppliers that have this sign are enrolled in Trade Assurance program. So if a supplier fails to ship your products on time, and if products are different in quality, you're eligible to request a full refund. Also keep in mind that Trade Assurance is offered only to gold suppliers. So let me show you how it works. So first you need to head over to Alibaba.com and find a supplier that has Trade Assurance sign. So first type a keyword of a product that you're looking for, and then on search results page you can click here to filter only suppliers that have Trade Assurance. Now, if you already have a list of potential suppliers, then you can just go to their mini site on Alibaba and check if they have Trade Assurance over here. Then you need to contact the supplier through chat or using contact form on Alibaba site. Of course, the purpose is to negotiate and to define everything that is related to the order. So you will need to clearly define the shipping date and what you're ordering in terms of product quality. Keep in mind that you will need to be very specific when defining product specifications, because if you fail to specify in great details product quality requirements, you might fail to get Trade Assurance coverage later if something goes wrong. Now, for offline orders, you should ask supplier to draft Trade Assurance contract, but what we're most interested in is Trade Assurance for online orders. So once you have negotiated and defined everything with a supplier, you need to start the order. You can do so through supplier's mini site on Alibaba by clicking on Start Order button, or you can go to product listing page, click on Trade Assurance over here, and then on this page you need to click on Start Order button. Now before we start, let's take a look at this page. Here you can see what is the amount covered by Trade Assurance for this supplier, and down here you can see the reviews and past transaction history from the supplier. But now let's start the order. So on this page you will need to create the online Trade Assurance contract. So first enter the exact product name of a product that you're ordering. Here you want to enter quantity that you're ordering, and here the price that you previously negotiated with the supplier. Under the units column, of course, select what is the most relevant for your order. So for example, if you have negotiated to order sets, then select sets. If you're ordering pieces, then simply select pieces. You will then see the price over here. Now, message field is extremely important because here you need to specify in great details what you're ordering in terms of product quality. Make sure to explain in great details everything that you previously agreed on with your supplier. Keep in mind that if you fail to be exact and specific over here, you might have problems claiming Trade Assurance protection later. So let me pause the video and enter an example so you can see how specific you should be. Okay, now as you can see, try to enter as many details regarding product specification. Of course, the length depends on which type of product you're ordering. Now down here, you simply need to specify the shipping method that you previously agreed on, trade terms and shipping date. Now under payment, you basically need to select the coverage amount. So if you enter an amount that is less than 100% of agreed amount, then this is considered to be pre-shipment coverage, which means that you're going to be trade assured for the initial amount that you enter here, which means that you should check the quality of products before shipment. Now you can check and inspect product quality in China directly if you use third-party inspection companies. Now on the other hand, if you pay 100% of the amount, then you're covered for full amount of your order payment. Which means that you should check your order's product quality within 180 days of shipment and within 15 days of the product's clearing customs. Then on the next page, you will need to confirm the order and start the payment process. Here you can see which payment types are accepted. Now keep in mind that payment is done either through credit card, telegraphic transfer, or e-checking. Now I'm not going to confirm this order and finish the payment because I'm not going to order this product, as this is just an example. But once you're finished, you will need to go to your Alibaba account, click Manage Orders, locate the order and pay for it. And then once you receive the product, you will need to simply go to Alibaba and confirm that you received the products. Now, in case your product is not as you expected, then you will need to open a dispute. But again, in terms of quality, you first need to detailedly specify exactly what product quality and specification you are expecting. So the conclusion is that Trade Assurance is a fantastic, free and easy to use program that will add an additional layer of protection to your overseas transactions. This will definitely make Chinese suppliers think twice before using cheap and substandard materials and components, or using other strategies to improve their profit margins by reducing quality. So please check the resource tab of this lecture to see more helpful links regarding trade assurance and the whole ordering process. Also, you can join my VIP list at finwinacademy.com for more valuable tips and content pieces.